everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download and install CoinMarketCap on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, launch Open App Store. After you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in CoinMarketCap and search. In the search result, look for this application and tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. If authenticated, use your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm the download. After it is done, tap on the Open button to launch it. And then you will be able to open up the CoinMarketCap app. You can either sign in with your CoinMarketCap account or use the app as a guest to track crypto prices. You've successfully done it. You can now track crypto prices, analyze trends, and stay updated with the latest market insights. If you found the guide to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.